Welcome home to this beautiful completely rebuilt with gorgeous upgrades 3+ bedrooms and 3 full baths Rach style home located on a quiet dead-end street. Open the door to gleaming new hardwood floors flowing through the kitchen, dining and living room area. The hardwood floors continue into the main level 3 bedrooms. The kitchen has a large island that could easily seat 4 and gorgeous quartz countertops that flow throughout the entire kitchen. Kitchen has a built-in pantry and stainless steel appliances. Modern bedroom has full bath that is stunning and large closet. Home is decked out with beautiful upgrades throughout and a basement that is amazing. The basement is finished complete with full bathroom along with a large room plenty big enough to use as a large office or 4th bedroom along with a separate rec space and separate laundry room and a utility room. Basement has an exit of walk-up cement steps egress. House total square feet is 2,539. This is rare for FAIRLESS Hills. The garage space is huge and well maintained with updated flooring along with an attic space. The driveway is double wide and extra long so you could easily park 6+ cars or trucks.